Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are so highly welcome. Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna be introducing to you a summer treat. Okay, this remedy is gonna work for you if you're actually experiencing all those dullness, roughness, and you just want to glow your skin. You just want your skin to be smooth, to be evenly. This remedy is gonna be like all you need. Okay, so if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright, drop your comment below, and now let's dive into the video. Transform your skin, guys. We're gonna be making use of coconut oil. Now, coconut oil is one natural, very organic oil that maintains your skin glowness, and it also helps to leave your skin polished. Coconut oil helps to remove all unwanted blemishes, and it helps you with other ingredients to fight pimples, and it also get rid of wrinkles. Now for the coconut oil, I'm gonna be needing about half teaspoon of that, not really much. And then we're going to be making use of tomato. Tomato is a natural remedy that works wonders on the skin. It helps to remove unwanted hair, it lightens up the skin, it glows up the skin, it leaves your skin looking polished, and it also leaves your skin tone. Alright, so it's going to transform your skin by removing the dryness, the flakiness, and also the dullness. Alright, so for the tomato, we're just going to be needing just a little piece of tomato. So we're going to be blending this. So I'm gonna be turning that into the bowl, and it's actually properly blended. And then we're gonna be needing banana. Here I have my local banana. It's actually very short and it's very ripe, so you have to use a very ripe banana. Okay, so banana is a skin moisturizer as well as honey. It works wonders in glowing up the skin, and it also leaves your skin looking youthful, and it will gently remove and exfoliate the dead skin cells from your skin or from your face, and it also contains an astringent property that leaves you looking younger. Now I'm also gonna be preparing the banana. Your banana has to be duper soft. Now that is good, properly blended. so we're gonna be making use of honey. Honey is a natural skin moisturizer. It helps to leave your skin looking polished, and it also helps to create a glow on your skin. It stands as a barrier from the skin and the sun, and it also helps to allow other products to get right deep into your skin, making it work fast and making it glow. So I'm gonna be testing this, and now I'm just gonna be putting in the honey. About 1 tablespoon of honey is gonna make wonders. And if you use this, guys, you are gonna be transforming your skin with this. Okay, look at how it looks like. Really nice. This you can even take as a smoothie. This is really nice. It's gonna help your skin a whole lot. Alright guys, to transform your skin, you're gonna be needing this. Alright, let me show you here. This is how it looks like. And this is how it is. Okay guys, so you have to first of all rinse your face. So I just rinse my face, and I'm gonna be using a brush, and then I would be rubbing all of this onto my face. I mistakenly applied on my nose. So I'm gonna be using my hand, grabbing this, and then using it to scrub my face. Okay. Alright guys, so after scrubbing the face, then you can leave it on for a couple of minutes, and then you go wash it off. Okay, this home remedy works so much. I can see my lip is actually getting really pink. Okay, and really natural. So after like 3 to 4 minutes, then you can actually just go and wash it off. I used to have some stuff going on here, so I have to scrub it and scrub it very well so it can go. Now for this treatment, guys, you can actually repeat this for like 3 times in a week. Okay, it's gonna help a whole lot, and it's gonna be so wonderful on the skin. Okay, and you don't have to store it for so long. Approximately 3 to 4 days is going to be enough, so you can use it fresh. Okay, always use it fresh because it's better when it's fresh. It works on the skin. The honey is so great. It makes the skin look younger, it glows, and it tones up the skin. So your skin on your face and your skin on your body should be the same. That's why you have to transform it. Okay, so after which I've waited for like some minutes, then So I always love the application of banana mix on my face. It does actually help to moisturize my skin. Okay, so I'm sure that is just what it's gonna do, although we have different skin type, but it's just gonna be so duper duper nice on you. So if you do love it, please thumbs up and subscribe and go try it out and let me know how it is, and I would see you soon in my next video. Don't forget to share this video and drop your comments below. Bye guys, and